Alright, boys, get a filter, got a piece of line. You need zip tie. And by the way, this is my last brakes air filter I have. That sucks. The reason why I don't have package is because it was caught in the garage fire. Package got wet. So this thing needs an oil change. A couple years. A year? A lot of you guys wonder why I put a new air filter? This thing gets destroyed. And this filter, yeah, still good for the workhorse. Through the workhorse, another filter. Say that one for the workhorse. Because normally these free filters get destroyed in my field. Sorry. The last filter, we're going to have to get some more of these. And by the way, I'm not going to do the carburetor. Not just yet. I ain't got a truck coming up. Let's see if the health will hurt. Filter number is 394018535. That's the brake filter for this, by the way. If anybody ever wants to care. Hey boys, we gotta take this back apart. I have a chatter and I don't know if it's what's going on. Oh heck, I don't even need to take it apart. I think I know what's going on. Probably don't even want to look at this situation here. Do I really want to look at this, boys? You got about 15,000. Phil, the question is, did the bolts loosen up? Or did the paper swell? Ah, baby. You gotta remember, I use computer paper on that. See, that would be probably what? 9/16. Watch it. You great. Told you, watch it. That'd be a half inch. Yeah, I got a 1/2 inch. I got about... Let me fit you guys down here so you guys see this. I don't know what happened. I had the end plate perfect. I'll be back, man. Hey, boys, what's cracking? Okay. I don't know how well this camera's gonna show, but you know, for a little bit of engineering, I don't know if you guys can see that second dipper or not. By the way, this Briggs runs dual dippers. You guys see that second dipper? There you go. Got dual dippers on that rod. Yeah, she's my hill climber. 3 years, boys. 3 years of running up and down hills. Oh, how anybody could deal with flashlights there. Okay, 3 years running up and down hills, and I'm not seeing much. I mean, that rod's... that rod's still tight. After 3 years. Of course. There's that one. I mean, that rod's still tight. They're both still tight. I mean, that's surprising, dude. And that's surprising. Both rods are still tight. She is running both dippers, by the way. I don't know. I think I showed you guys it. Because there's one dipper there. The other dipper's back over here. I think you guys can probably see this. Right there. The second dipper. Okay, boys. Catch you guys later then. What's up, guys? Getting it put back together. You guys, this tin work sucks. And then just going through the PTO on this. It's easier to do it off camera. I'm going through stuff. I want to show you guys something. See how short that bolt is? Back there, I just put it. Huh. Okay, I'm just lost my mind. Right there. Never knew the PTO had the wrong bolts in it. Cool. But yeah, just like stuff like that, it's wore out. Up in there's wore out, that's wore out. It's making it tighter than what it was. Alright, catch you guys later.